Hello, this is my homework. There are two ways to pronounce the H sound. The first is unvoiced H. For example, bath, fall, math, tooth, path, bowl, thing. The second is voiced H. For example, them, this, there, that, these, those, with. Sample sentences. Number 1. I want a path after dinner. Number 2. It was the 4th of July. Number 3. Both of them came. Number 4. Sue is studying math and English. Number 5. Her teeth are very white. Number 6. The path over the mountain is hard. Number 7. The path through the woods is easy. Number 8. We both think you should come. Number 9. They both thank you. Number 10. He left both things at home.